This is the elevator, a retake of the elevator at the Art and Design Center, ADC, formerly the Athletic Center, at Chatham University, Shadyside Campus, Shadyside, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This is a rare Otis elevator. Got a mezzanine level. Series 6, I believe. Not sure if that's the official name, but whatever. Here we are at the mezzanine. This is low in oil. Go back down to 1. There's the mezzanine level. This used to be the gymnasium, as you can tell right here. That's why it's so high ceilings in the art classrooms. ADA phone, but there's also some regular classrooms in this building. They're basic blue Otis cab. This is the only elevator in the building. This elevator is not original. There's a certificate, inspected back in 2014. The only change about this elevator since I was last on it, or last filmed it, I was on it after I filmed it many times, is that they turned off the fan using that switch. And if you look here, but I opened this one time, there's nothing, there's no wiring. I'll put it back in off camera. There it goes, and that's it.